Hello, Aaron. My name is Laza Rosenfeld. I spoke to Danny. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing her name correctly. Forgive me if I'm not. She gave me this email to send over this video. I hope you find this video helpful. So what I do is I try to get local businesses, their websites to rank up with Google. So just as a brief introduction, Google is a business like any other business, and they want what's best for their customers. So what they do is when someone's searching for something, they want to give them the best result and fastest, of the best results. So they put what they think are the best websites for relevant to their search. They put them on top so the person shouldn't have to scroll down. Obviously, the advantage of being on top is that most people are going to tend to go to the first website that they see on their search and not scroll down. So that means more traffic and ultimately more revenue. So how do we get to the top of Google? So there's a lot of things that Google takes into account. Not everything we claim to know, but we do know a lot. And there's, a lot of it is way out of the scope of this video, but I'm going to try to cover three main topics. So what I'm going to cover is the content, the backlinks, and the citations. So content is like, when you come to a website, so this is the home page. So all the content on the front page. So Google likes that you should have at least 1,500 words. I actually put your website into this word counter, and you had 990 words in this front page. So, it would be an easy fix to get it up to 1,500. Second thing in regards to content is the keywords. So keywords means what people are using to search for a specific service. So the keywords is the words that people are using to search. So let's say people are searching for HVAC in Akron. So they say Akron HVAC companies. So, and that's what, let's say, a lot of people use. So you want to get those words in your site, because one of the things that Google takes into account when ranking a website is if they look at the words that the person's searching for, and they look for those words in a website. And if they see those words in a website, they're going to send the search to that website. So you want to make sure you know what people are searching for, and you want to get those words and put them into your website. We'll show you how to do all that in a minute. The second thing is backlinks. So backlinks are the links that go between pages on a website and between two websites. So what we care about is the other websites linking to your website. So if you have other websites linking to your website, it shows to Google that you're relevant, because it says, hey, look, there's other businesses that are pointing to them. If, not all backlinks are the same, because you could have a random company, like let's say a pet shop, linking to you. That's not going to mean much to Google as if you have another HVAC company linking to you. That means a lot more, because, hey, what does a pet shop know about HVAC? But another HVAC company is linking to you. Hey, look, they're relevant. Not all, even within the relevant websites linking to you, there's different levels, because you could have a very high-ranking website linking to you. That would mean a lot more to Google than a low-ranking website linking to you. So you want to make sure you have the high-ranking websites linking to you. A third thing is citations. Citations are where your name, address, and phone number are found in directories. If you have your name, address, and phone number similar to backlinks, it means to Google that you're relevant, just not links. Again, there's different types of directories. There's high, valued directories, important directories. So that means a lot more to Google if you're on those directories. So you want to make sure that you're on those, important directories. So just to bring out all these points, I put you up against another company who's another website that's ranking above you. See, you're over here. If you go to, this Akron HVAC companies. So on top of the search, there's the map pack. And then there's the organic website. So that's two types of rankings. If you're in the map pack, it means you have a Google business profile. You want to have one. I'm not sure if you did, but you weren't on the front page, that's for sure. These are the top three. And this is the top of what we call the organic website. So this guy, Jennings, is on top of both. So actually, when I just, be perfectly honest, when I started researching and doing my stuff, you'll see in a second, I see that you're doing a lot. I don't know if you're doing a lot better, but you definitely have a lot more traffic. So, you'll take whatever you can, and, wherever you are, not so far down, but, if you could get even higher, you could do even better. But it seems like you're already doing better than him, at least in when it comes to traffic. I'll show you in a second. So I have this tool called Uber Suggest, which is a tool that ranks your whole website. It takes a lot into account, gives you a SEO score. SEO means search engine optimization. And then it takes a lot of stuff about your website into account, gives you a score. He has an 82. You have a 77, so he has a better score. However, he has 24,388 people visiting his site every month. You seem to have a lot more, 257,164. So I don't know if you need me at all, but listen, you're definitely lower than him when it comes to the rankings. So if you could get higher, I guess you could get even more. You have tons of keywords, tons of backlinks, a lot more than him. But you could look at his keywords and his backlinks and see, again, not all backlinks are the same. Not all keywords are the same. You get a lot of info about the keywords, a lot of info about the backlinks, and take what, the most valuable keywords that he's using, which he's getting to be on the top, and backlinks, and you could take it and run with it. The last thing is the citations. Citations are, so I have this tool called White Spark, which measures the citations. You had 4 citations. This guy has 26. So you could see, what the citations that he has. This is all the directories, and you can see the levels. And then you could get them for yourself. You click over here and see how to get them. You want to get as much and much more to get above him. So that's all for now. I hope this video was informative. I hope I didn't waste your time. If you really enjoyed, you want to talk more, here's my info. I'll leave it in the email also. If you want to implement it yourself, I gave you enough tools to do that. It's totally cool. If I didn't teach you anything new, so just a little favor, if you could leave me some feedback on how I did in this video. Thank you so much. Have a great night, and I wish you a lot of success.